What up gang? Welcome back to another video. She's finally done. Not done, but you know, she's paint match, she's looking good. I've been thinking about what to do next, and I have some things coming for it. I'm just waiting for it now. The waiting game, you already know how it is. But the car does have some little things that I want to fix, and today we're gonna do that. We're gonna fix one of the things that I've been wanting to fix for like the longest, because it's been like way too long. And so let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I've been wanting to do, or like the small things that bother me up on my car. So let's get it. Number one is this. Oh my god, oh look at that. I don't know how to drive. Just kidding. She was being wanting me to teach her how to drive, but we'll do it one day. Alright, so number one, curb rash in every single wheel. And not this one, it's not curb rash, it's just that like little paint came off. I think that's curb rash though, but every single one of the wheels has at least like a spot. There's no paint, look at that. I repainted my wheels like not too long ago, probably like a year. Was that long, Chapito? This one's good. Look, this is the only one that is like good. It doesn't have anything. It's not missing paint or anything. It doesn't have curb rash, so that one's okay.
This is why we never work on a 350Z. So yeah guys, before you guys ask what are the what tire rim
Tire specs.
Unknown, we don't know them.
I think
they came with the car, so
I think the fronts are 19 by what?
10?
10 and a half? 10 probably. And the offset is, I want to say -3 probably. I don't know. It's just like
yeah, we don't know, but those are 19 by 11
with -3.
well, I think those are 11 by a half and these are just 11s, something like that. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
so it's not that we don't want to tell you guys, we actually don't know, because they came with the car. The
first one's off.
fucking dope. So yeah, this is how they look. I mean, it's not that bad. I don't think it's that bad, so just slightly sand them down. Well, what sucks is they are scratched like right here, like inside, so I don't want to take off the air or the tire. So hopefully I can figure something out. Actually, I had this laying around, so I'm gonna use this one too. It's pretty hard, so it should be good to just take off that off. And then I found 600, and then 200, 2000. And I think I have, oh, I don't have my car here, fuck. I have some in my car, so I'm just gonna go look for more. Well, that should be good. Oh, and yeah, you wanna clean your wheels first. Look at this shit.
Alright guys, so there you have the first one done. I don't know if you guys can see, but it didn't sand out like perfect, but still soft. You can barely fill it out. We still have the lines, but what I was telling Omar is that I'd rather have it just paint it like this and not go too deep, because then it's gonna like fuck it up or something. So I just want it smooth so we can paint over it, and then it can be like all black instead of having it like this. I can still have it like a little, like the lines, but it'll be black. So it's gonna be like this. Look, it has one right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. I pin over that one. It just like you can barely see it from up close, but from far you can't tell. So that's what we're gonna do right now. It's gonna sand the next one and then paint it.
So this is what we ended up doing. Just trying to left what we're gonna paint and cover. I mean, it's black, the tire's black, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so we just cover that because we don't want to spray over it because they're actually pretty clean. So it's just the edges. So yeah, Mexican primer.
Wait, I thought.
So actually ended up finding some primer, fills light scratches and sands easily. We're not gonna sand, but it's good for the little cracks and shit. Fuck it, como son mías. So we're gonna hit it with the clear coat, gloss clear. And like we told you guys, we knew that was gonna look like that, but I mean it looks better, like it's black at least. Like from far you won't tell.
I don't know if you can tell. A ver, hasta la luz.
My flash.
Oh, there, you guys can see. You guys can see the lines, but like I told you, I don't mind the lines as long as it all looks black. Because from far, like you always can see the car from far. I'm not gonna be like, I'm just always gonna be like, oh look at that, like he has it like that. Like, I mean, unless you're
Unless you're Joshua.
pretty shady person, and you will. But
I got a little excited and I went ahead and took this off.
so again, took him off. What I was telling him, but is that hopefully the lines of the tape don't stay like marked like as much, you know.
Burn. Look at that. Oh shit, right there it did. I think I feel it though. You can see it burn. Just because it's not a shiny.
You guys can see the line there.
But since it's not mine,
Right, it's fine. Like I told you guys, I'd rather have it black.
what the fuck? I kind of missed a spot. Shit.
Like that, Chopper? We'll be back after this ad.
Yeah guys, so everything we did worked pretty good. The only thing that we didn't think or we were counting on is the tape leaving a pretty big mark. So I don't know, it's hard to tell you guys. Right here you guys see the tape. So what we're gonna do for the other ones is just make a perfect straight line with the tape, so it could just be one whole thing. It's gonna take more, but at the end it's gonna come out better. So yeah, we did that for the other wheel because it was only pieces, like it wasn't the whole thing. But for this one it's the whole thing, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna tape it as perfect as we can, like in the inside, so it's only one line, you know. So that's why we wouldn't do it like that, but you know, it worked and just learn from it. So for this one, that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, this one, the other one are easier because they both don't have like they don't have a fucking like curve rash, you know. It's just like the paint came off, which I'm pretty sure it's gonna do it again because you know how you're always on the road and there's like little rocks or anything. I think that's what happened here because I haven't hit this. I mean, I don't remember hitting it, but I think that's what's gonna happen. It's still gonna happen because I don't know. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright, so they're off. Both of the tires are off. And look at this, guys. We ran out of tape. Just enough though to make another one. I don't know if we have more tape, but if not, we can always go buy more. See, this is what we're talking about. We're making like the tape go as straight as it can and more inside the rim, more inside the lip. So when you look at it, it's like this, and all the round, like right here, it's gonna be black, and the line is gonna stay like inside the lip, so it's not gonna be as noticeable as the other one. Which again, I don't mind, but look at this, guys. What is this? Hopefully it doesn't happen again, because I don't know how this happened, because obviously it's not like crashed or anything. Like I've been saying, guys, it's probably like the little rocks and everything you hit when you drive.
I think it's when you take off the tire.
Or when, yeah, because
I don't remember taking this shit.
I remember when I went to go, my tires on it. They just ripped them a little bit.
Look at this. No fucks given.
Camber boys.
No mames, tan culero aquí, güey. Fucking that.
I don't know why this one has more than this one though. This one still has more, but I think it's more noticeable on that one. Look at this spaceship though. Face down, ass up. Just how we like it, huh?
So for this one, I'm only doing 600 grit and 2000. Because like I said, there's no scratches. The paint just came off, chipped, whatever. So I'm just gonna get it as smooth as I can, and it should be easier.
That Omar did, because he did everything I did everything. I was just watching. But look at that. Everything's covered, nice and matched. No more, what you call it? I don't know, like paint missing and everything. She's looking good. Hey, excuse me, what are you doing here? Right now I'm just gonna put everything back and then put the car on the floor, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so we're done. Put all the wheels back. This is the final result. Look at that. No more curb rash, no more bad paint. Shout out to his foot right here. Them boots. Never mind. Yeah guys, look at that. That's just like the thing from the tire. Jesus Christ. You can't really tell because the light's not hitting it, but look. All black now.
Gotta hit the angles.
Now I just need to wash because I haven't washed it like in the longest. I've been waiting for it, but then something just comes up and then I don't do it and then I wait more. Oh yeah, here it is.
So yeah, DM me. Just kidding, but we're actually gonna go to the junkyard right now, so stay tuned for that video.